Patna, one of the locality in Kemjer, is famous for Lord Shiva temple. Hello friends, my name is James Van and the time brought me here today to reveal the wonderful things about the divine temple. There is no way to experience serenity better than spending time in this place. As you all know, Lord Shiva is the most prominent deity in the Hindu pantheon. Among all the Shiva temples situated at the bank of river Baitarani, this is the most popular one. If you are looking for a picnic spot, you can find here one. We have enjoyed the beauty here. Let's move on to another place. We arrived at Rajnagar, which is famous for Raghunath Jiu Mata. It has been described that this mortar established since Maharaja time. The king used to come and worship here to Lord Shiva. Massive crowd can be seen in during December as this place occupied for picnic purposes. Beside this mortar lies the Navagraha temple. Locals say that whoever ties ribbon on this tree gets their wish fulfilled. The artistic work of king can be seen here. The passage of time, this artistic work is fading away. The government must have an eye on this to keep this artistic work alive. travel ends here. It's time to go back. Please subscribe my YouTube channel for more videos and updates. And don't forget to smash the like and bell button.